Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this February the 17th, 2026. I'm hoping everybody had a great Tuesday out there so far, but it's a great Tuesday evening. Everybody can stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the storm system moving across the country, and you can see we do have plenty of them moving across the country as well. You can see we have this little system here moving from portions of Oklahoma, Nebraska over toward Illinois. Also, this will affect portions of Ohio, also the northeastern U.S., and then on up into areas of New York State, or possibly a portion of Maine, bringing some precipitation there as well. You can see the subtropical jet beginning to get a little more active. You can see it coming in off the southwestern U.S. coast, all the way over here near the Baja region of California into portion of Mexico to Texas, and then kind of moving on off to the east in that fashion direction there. Alright, we got a little storm system here developing over California. You can see a little spin over here in California, Washington, Oregon State. That's getting a little act together. Now we'll continue across the country to bring some severe weather on day number 3 across portions of the Tennessee and Ohio River Valley. And we got more activity across Montana through the Dakotas, Minnesota, towards South Canada, bringing some precipitation there as well. Alright, let's move on into your local forecast now, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like the video, share the video, and let's continue to get the show on the road there, folks. And here is your that's today's forecast, but we're going to try to get into Wednesday forecast. I might went to Tuesday, but this is your Wednesday outlook. Alright, as you can see, we got mixed precipitation from portions of New Hampshire to Rhode Island to Connecticut, New York State to Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Superior to Wisconsin to Minnesota to the Dakotas, also with portions of South Dakota, Nebraska, Colorado, New Mexico to Arizona to Nevada, California, Washington, Oregon State. Got some heavy snow over here in portion of Oregon, down into California, Northern California, the Cascade Mountains of California, Southern California over to portion of Nevada, Utah, Arizona. Patches of heavy snow also in Utah to Colorado. We've got some freezing rain up here in areas of Wisconsin, stretching over New York State, portion of Massachusetts, Connecticut, also in the portions of northeastern Pennsylvania. Heavy snow also in portions of North Dakota and northern areas of Minnesota, over here toward northern Michigan, and also take toward Lake Superior as well. Got some snow flying there as well through the Dakotas. Also in the portion of Montana, Wyoming, Colorado, Utah, Nevada, over toward California, Oregon, Washington State as well. Got some critical fire weather in portions of Colorado to New Mexico to Texas. Got a lot of wildfire going also in Oklahoma and also in the portion of Kansas. Thunderstorms and showers from portions of Michigan to Tennessee to northern South Carolina, North Carolina, you're included, all the way up to D.C., Delaware, and Pennsylvania and West Virginia areas as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Wednesday. Alright, let's move on into your Thursday outlook now. Should roll out something like this here. Okay, still coming up. You can see we got a lot of features across the map here. Alright, you can see we got lots of precipitation. We got mixed precipitation, freezing rain from New York State, New Jersey to Pennsylvania, and it just took it out just like that. So let's let it reload again. It should be reloading. Okay, like I said, we got mixed precipitation, freezing rain from New York State to Delaware, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Michigan, Wisconsin, all the way over towards South Dakota, Nebraska, Iowa, Illinois, and Lake Huron, Lake Superior, with mixed precipitation and freezing rain. There's severe weather with Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, portion of Kentucky. Thunderstorms and showers from southern Michigan all the way down to Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, to the northern Gulf, to Louisiana, to Tennessee and Mississippi. Then we got snow flying from areas of Minnesota to the Dakotas, Nebraska, Wyoming, to Colorado, to Utah, Nevada, Washington, Oregon State, Idaho, and Montana. Got pockets of heavy snow over portions of Nebraska and South Dakota. And also over here in Oregon, Northern California, Cascade Mountains of California, mixed precipitation from New Mexico to Arizona, southern Utah, southern Nevada, much of California, Washington, Oregon State areas as well. Alrighty, otherwise expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Thursday. Alright, let's move on to the current watches warning advisory map. You're located across the nation, and it should roll out like this here. Alrighty, we got lots of watches warning advisories on the map. We got dense fog advisory from up here near Connecticut down to Pennsylvania, also into areas of New Jersey, Delaware. Some air quality alerts and dense fog advisories as well. Also some winter weather advisory for areas of Massachusetts, southern Vermont, and also New York State. Also, we got winter storm warning, winter weather advisories stretching from northern Michigan to Wisconsin to Minnesota, all the way into South Dakota. Also got blizzard warning for northeastern areas of Montana. And then we got winter storm warning, winter weather advisory for portions of western Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, California, Nevada. Also in the portion of Arizona, Utah, Wyoming, Colorado region as well. Red flag warning from Texas to Oklahoma to Kansas, Nebraska, South Dakota, Colorado region as well. Avalanche warnings over here in portions of Colorado and also western Montana. High wind warnings stretching from Montana all the way down into areas of Wyoming, North and South Dakota. Also Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas. Also in the portion of New Mexico, Arizona, Colorado, with wind advisories in the brown there as well. Stretching Idaho, Utah, California, Nevada, Arizona, all the way into Dakotas, Minnesota, Illinois, especially with the statements there as well, from Illinois to Iowa to Kansas, Nebraska, Oklahoma, Arkansas areas as well. We got smoke crack advisories up here around Long Island, a little bit along the off the mid-Atlantic coast, about 250 nautical miles offshore, a little bit along the North Carolina coast, Southern California, Washington State, around the Hawaiian chain island with high surf warnings there as well. Around the Alaska region, we have some blizzard warnings in Alaska, winter storm warnings in the pink, winter weather advisories there as well. And also we have some extreme cold weather warnings also in effect in advisories over Montana as well. Alright, Storm Prediction Center outlook should roll out something like this here for day number 2, which is your Wednesday. Just general thunderstorm for day 2. Would not be surprised to see a few severe thunderstorms across Michigan over toward Pennsylvania and Ohio. Then again from Illinois down toward Kentucky and northwest Tennessee and the Missouri area as well. Alright, Storm Prediction Center outlook. This is day number 3. This is where the severe weather. We have a 15% chance of slight risk from Springfield to Evansville, Louisville, Cincinnati, and Indianapolis. Marginal risk from Pierre down toward areas of Nashville, Bowling Green, over toward Columbus. General thunderstorms elsewhere from Milwaukee down to Jackson and Memphis, Tennessee areas. Probability should be 5 and 15%. And there we go. Alright. Snowfall for heavy precipitation across the lower 48. Should roll out something like this here. And we're still waiting for it to come up here in just a few minutes. Okay, still waiting. Alrighty. Here we go. Alright. Alright, from 225 to 33. Over here in California up to areas of Washington, Oregon State. You've got the moderate risk there as well. You can see 225, 226, 225 to 33. Moderate risk again from 225 to 31. That's in the pink across Montana down in the portions of Wyoming and northeastern areas of Utah. 225 to 33. Same location. Slight risk over here from 225 to 227. From areas of Iowa over toward Michigan, Wisconsin, Minnesota areas as well. And then again from 225 to 227 from New York State up to Maine. This is for the risk of heavy snowfall across the for your local forecast areas. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. And like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next ones. Have a wonderful Tuesday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got.